Hi everyone, in this video, we're going to take an in-depth look at the EUHOMY IM-FM Ice Maker. Operation and installation. Control panel. On and off button. Time plus and clean button. Time minus and timer setting button. Ice cube symbol. Ice full warning symbol. Digital display. Ice thickness display. Ice making time countdown display. Timing display. Automatic cleaning time countdown display. Water shortage symbol. Ice thickness adjustment unit. Ice making time countdown unit. Timing setting. Unpacking your ice maker. Connecting your ice maker. Add water to ice maker. Ice making operation. Ice making startup. After each ice making is finished, the unit will start to harvest the ice cube. Adjustment of ice thickness. Ice full symbol. Ice making shutdown. Forced ice harvesting operation. Automatic self-cleaning program. Timed startup and timed shutdown function operation panel. Timer setting range. Timed shutdown. Timed startup. Timer settings. How to set the timer. How to cancel the timing. Features. Tips and maintenance. Important safety tips. Warning: this appliance must be earthed. Important: the wires in this main lead are colored by the following code. Before using your ice maker, it is strongly recommended to clean it thoroughly. After using your ice maker for a long time, we also suggest you should clean your unit. How to drain out the water from the internal tank and big water reservoir completely. Troubleshooting. Safety precautions. FAQs. How often do I need to clean my ice maker? How should I clean the machine? Why is my ice cube cloudy? Can I put milk and juice into the water tank to make ice cubes? Why does my ice cube melt easily? Why is my ice so thick and difficult to fall from the ice tray? Why do the ice cubes have a plastic smell? Why is there noise in the operation of my machine? Why is water leaking from my machine? Why is there water flowing, but not making ice? For more updates, subscribe to our channel.